In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Workspace Views. Whether you're managing a team project, planning an event, or just organizing personal tasks, Trello's Workspace Views can help you visualize and manage everything more effectively. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of these features. First, to get started, you'll need to log into your Trello account on a desktop or through the web version. Once you're logged in, look over to the left sidebar of your Trello dashboard. Here, you'll find your workspace name listed. Click on it, and this will direct you to the main area where all your boards are collected. This initial step is crucial as it provides the foundation from which you can navigate and organize your tasks efficiently. Now that you're in your workspace, let's access the Workspace Views menu. If you check out the header of your workspace, you'll notice several tabs. These include various view options such as table, calendar, timeline, and dashboard. Each of these views is designed to give you a different perspective on your workflow depending on what you need at any given moment. To explore more, simply click on the view you want to work with. Are you more of a list person who likes the granular data view? Then the table view might be just what you need. If you're handling tasks that are date sensitive, you can click on the calendar view to see how your tasks spread across the days and weeks. Perhaps you're more interested in seeing the flow and progression of tasks. Then take a look at the timeline, and if you're keen on analytics and overall project status, the dashboard could offer valuable insights. Remember, you're not locked into any single view. One of the best things about Trello is its flexibility. At any time, you can switch between these different views. Just head back up to the top navigation bar and click on another view option. The changes are instantaneous, so you can keep your workflow dynamic without any downtime. Switching views not only offers variety, but also allows you to customize how you approach tasks, catering to personal or team preferences, and ensuring that you have the best tools at your disposal to get things done efficiently. By mastering the use of Trello Workspace Views, you'll find that organizing and visualizing your work becomes much simpler and more intuitive. Keep experimenting with these views and see which ones best suit your style and project needs. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.